First you gotta forgive. Let me know everything gon' be okay. Even if I come out and everything I did, they just never punish.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with BeautyForever hair. They sent me over this 20-inch curly wig. This is a curly edges wig, but this is like the curliest edges I've ever had, and it's giving like literally. So you guys are gonna see me unbox it and how it looked. When I was installing it, I was a little bit nervous, but it actually turned out good. So if you guys want to see how it came and how I got the hair to look like this, really pretty. It's about 85% dry. I cannot wait for it to be 100% dry, but it's so freaking cute. Let's get right into this video. Very quick install, simple. I'm just using gel today, no spray. If you want to save your edges and get a quick cute look and you don't have to leave none of your hair out, let's get right into this video.
Good luck.
Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it. Believe you won't deceive me. Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it. Believe you won't deceive me.
First you gotta forgive. Let me know everything gon' be okay. Even if I come out and everything I did, they just never punish me. Even though I did it a long time ago. If so, let me know. If I propose, would you say no? Would you break my heart? Would you embarrass me or play your part? Baby, don't fold. My heart is yours. You got the power, pussy power. You got the power, pussy power. The flow is yours, the time is ours. I'm ready to believe me on your own. You can believe me on your own. If you leave me, I'm gonna fall. Baby, you told me.
Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it. Believe you won't deceive me. Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it. Believe you won't deceive me.
You told me that you kill me if I fuck up. You told me I'm a lucky motherfucker. You love me but you never ever trust him. You never ever trust me. There's two sides to the story, and that girl got a good PR. I knew we never make it far, because I like making niggas black in my car. Tell me you love me cause I know they want. They wanna fit in for the photo shoot. Put them aside, baby, I know this you. My niggas like baby, they liking you. My family like it, yeah, they liking you. My mama was second, she's liking you. She wanna know why did you say either way.
Okay you guys, so this is the end of the video. This is how the hair turned out. You already seen it in the beginning, but you guys seen what I mean. It wasn't really a struggle or anything. It was very quick to put on. It looks really pretty still. My natural hair, I just wanted my edges to be laid. I try to use my edge control, my gel, and all of that. If this is your vibe though, I will have all BeautyForever links in my description box below for this wig. I know a lot of people have been doing leave out and like clippings and stuff. I did clip-ins as well, but I feel like I always go back to my wigs, especially this 7x5 closure. This is the new lace size. It has more space, but it's still a closure. I will leave the links to this wig down below if you're interested in just having a wig that you could throw on and go. I'm also going to start doing my giveaways again, so if you think I should start back doing the giveaways, I feel like it was a fun time like to give away the wigs and stuff, so you guys can try it out for yourself. If you feel like you can't afford it at the moment, make sure you guys leave me a comment down below, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.
Let me know everything gon' be okay. Even if I come out and everything I did, they just never punish me. Even though I did it a long time ago. If so,